So I'm dressed. This video is specifically for Annie, because she wanted to know how I did my lip liner. This is Mary Kay lip liner in dark chocolate. This is Lancome lip liner in I don't know. I really don't know. I think it's gone. Yeah, it's gone. Anyway, it's Lancome. Lancome. It's like a brown. It's like a dark brown, but it's pretty. Anyway, I used 2 lip liners. I wish I had my lipstick that Janelle did not send me. Thanks, Janelle. So we're gonna start with the Mary Kay. So the Mary Kay is real dark. This is no, I used to always do this, but anyway, I've been lining my lips since middle school. This is weird. I can't explain, just kind of do it. The more you do it, you'll get how you like your own lips. Yeah. It's so much traffic. Okay, so my Cupid's bow, I tried to define that. I start right here. And I go like this. Same with this side. That's how I do that. And I go back over. Just a little bit. Now this is some lip stain that I got from Sephora. I don't remember the name. Oh, the number is, it's number 26 from Sephora. It's Sephora brand. It's a lip stain. Love it. And I just put it in the middle. Black. Look, you see, it blends in. Bam! We ain't done yet. We're not done. I like to get it out here. So I like to pack it on my lips. My lips are real pink, and they will start showing. Okay, then I go back over with my Lancome just to soften it a little. And I don't do it so perfect. Now this makes your lips look fuller. When you darken that right there, makes your lips look fuller. Now, it's not about the products, it's about the color. So if you have your 2 browns, one is darker than the other, and the other one is light, go ahead and do that. However, you want to put your lipstick on, you put your lipstick on. I'm going to put some more lipstick on. Just a little more. Right in there. And sometimes I won't do my lips so heavy I do the middle like real dark. And like that. Just do it real dark. Come down like this. I don't know how this gonna look. But it don't matter because I'm gonna wear it. Okay. That's that. I'm gonna see if I can give y'all, if y'all can see what my outfit looks like. I'm gonna walk right over there. Okay. I got this shirt from Belk. I got these jeans from Belk. I got these Reeboks from Amazon. Yes! Okay. I'm about to go. Bye.